Welcome to Quizzer King. I'm so excited to get started. Let's play!
Only genius viewers can find the odd number. Very good answer, but wait for hard levels. Test your eagle eyes. Can you find the hidden number in this picture? Wow, wonderful! Wait for hard levels. Intelligent viewer, find the odd letter. Amazing answer. Try another one. Hey, test your observation skill. Find the repeated number. Yes, you are focus master. Now test your eye speed. Find two difference in these pictures. Wow, real focus master. What should the next quiz be about? K-pop or Zootopia? Or share your opinion in the comments. Your comment decide the next quiz. Hey genius, try to find the odd number. Wow, very good, but wait for hard levels. Hey focus master, find the secret letter in this picture. Yes, are you ready for next hard levels? Dear viewers, find the odd letter. Wow, your eye speed is good. Hey smart viewers, catch the repeated letter. Excellent, fast IQ level. Try your focus. Find two difference in this picture. Wow, very good focus master. Hey, find the odd number among these. Yes, excellent answer. Hey, find the hidden number in this picture. Wow, you are a real focus master. Hey, can you find the odd letter? Oh no, I think it is hard. Hey, find the repeated number in this picture. Let's go. Wow, the repeated number is 2. Hey genius, spot 2 difference in this picture. Yes, excellent. Hey, can you find the odd number within given time? Wow! Hey, find the secret letter in this picture. Hey, catch the 2 repeated number in this picture.